In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer slides from Canva to PowerPoint. If you've created a presentation in Canva and now need to use it in Microsoft PowerPoint, the good news is that the process is very straightforward. Canva gives you the option to export your design as a PowerPoint file, which makes it much easier to continue editing, presenting, or sharing your slides in a format that works well across many devices and workplaces. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening your presentation in Canva. Make sure you're inside the correct design before moving on, especially if you have multiple presentations saved in your account. It's a good idea to quickly review the slides first, just to confirm that everything looks the way you want before exporting. This can save you time later if you notice something that needs to be fixed. Once your presentation is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is where Canva places several options for sending, publishing, or exporting your work. After you click Share, look for the Download option. In some versions of Canva, download may appear right away. If you don't see it immediately, click More and then search for the PowerPoint export option from there. When you reach the download settings, open the File Type drop-down menu and choose Microsoft PowerPoint, also listed as PPTX. This is the format you'll need if you want your Canva slides to be transferred into PowerPoint as a presentation file. Choosing the correct file type is important because other formats like PDF or image files won't give you the same PowerPoint experience. Next, select the pages you want to export. If you want the entire presentation, simply keep all pages selected. If you only need certain slides, you can choose just those specific pages instead. After making your selection, click Done to confirm it. Finally, click Download to save the file to your device. Canva will prepare the presentation and export it as a PowerPoint file. Depending on the size of your presentation and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, you can open the file in Microsoft PowerPoint and continue working with your slides there. That's all it takes to transfer slides from Canva to PowerPoint. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have your presentation ready in just a few clicks.